My name is Kimberly Petty, a reporter at the Jamaica Observer. So, can you go ahead and tell me your name for the record?
I am Kimia Barton and I am 21.
Alright, so Kimia, we saw where a viral video went on social media where you were involved in a fight and you tossed the baby on the ground and then lift the baby back up with one arm. Can you take us through what happened that night?
I was out at the road, and when I was at the road, a girl named Onika, she thief my baby clothes, and when she take them, me dey cuss them, I want them back. And Chavanese, one girl named Chavanese take up the argument, which she now come on me had to take my baby clothes. Then they call Talia because through then was a Talia they always a bully me. That I'm my baby cousin. Then when Talia come, she started to cuss me and class me and call me all type of names. Me cuss her back. Me tell her things, she tell me things, and then she come down and she choke me. Started to fight me. She fist me, and when she fist me, it fist the baby out of my hand. She start beat me, I tell her real bad. None of them now video that, cause her company they video it. They now video when she a beat me. When me feel dizzy because of C-section, me do and me have pressure and all of them look something there. So me feel dizzy, me never do want really drop the baby, me never do want drop the baby. But through me feel dizzy, me don't want her to get no serious damage. So me I try to put her down, but through one iPhone they have, they take it to make it look like say I just drop the baby so. Which me not go do that because me am a good mother to my baby. And me love him so me not go do that. And his mother, when me, at regular basis, this what they do to me, because they know me not have nobody to defend me, me not have nobody at all to defend me. When me a breed, his mother beat me and send me to go on a station because Talia have one policeman. And the policeman did all say he shoot me and all type of that. And me did go station, go report it. And
So you're saying it's a regular occurrence where they bully you?
Yeah, every time because they know me not nobody if step up for me, me not have no money, me not have nothing at all. So when they do this now, they feel like it all get way.
So how is the baby doing? We realize that the CPSFA has the baby in the care now. Did you send in the baby?
Yes, I send her in because me know me not wrong and me not run away because me love my baby and me know me not wrong. This is a regular habit what they normally do to my baby. They even tell the boy Rashid don't mind the baby. Me have to buy baby clothes by my own. Me not trouble them. Me move out of the house because me did live with them. Rent one house myself. One room and I start my life. I catch up me hear them and I get me little things them. Me little change for buy pampers and stuff. They not give baby nothing.
I don't know if you have seen the comments on social media where persons are bashing you, saying you're a bad mother and you should be arrested. What would you want to say to the nation now, given what has happened?
I want to tell the world I'm so sorry because I feel dizzy that the baby dropped out of my hand. I'm so sorry. I am a good mother and I will not do that. If I was in the right mind, I will not do that to my child because I know how serious it is, so I'm not going to do that to my child. And I know Twinkle just 6 months. If she get one serious lick, she dead, me gone to prison. I'm not going to do that and I know so I go to prison by the end of the day and I don't have nobody to help me. But this is a regular habit what they normally do. But then them attacks, they must say they never video if you put up people and something, but anyway it get away. And the girl now, she run away, she gone because she know she wrong and she do it and she had talk about how she sorry if you put up here and there something.
So you're hoping that you will be able to get your baby back, given some training and all of that?
I hope. You know, I love my baby. Even when my breast are leak, I cry. I cry night, I cry day, I cry. Because I love my baby and my baby no deserve to go home. None at all. Twinkle a baby.